back to my channel. So this video is all about what we've been doing during lockdown, which is cleaning, cooking, plus watching a lot of Netflix shows. I have been watching Gilmore Girls. I'm pretty sure you guys must have watched it too. I watched that show about 15 times I think, but I never get sick of it. I can keep watching it over and over again. So that's what I've been doing this whole week. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog of us in isolation. So now I'm just gonna make lunch. So what I do is I make lunch for 2 days and I make dinner for 2 days and I keep it in the fridge because then it's a bit easy for me, so then I don't have to cook the next day. So that's what I've been doing during this whole isolation week. So yep, that's what I've been doing now. I'll just show you my recipes and how I make the egg fried rice and the devil chicken. So now I've marinated this with chili powder, salt and pepper, and I've kept it for about 15 minutes. So yep, I'm keeping that aside. Okay, so now I've cooked the rice first to make the egg fried rice. Cooked that, I kept it on the side. We are plucking some chilies from our garden. And then we're gonna get some tomatoes. My little helper with me. Okay, so the first thing to do when you're making the egg fried rice is to make the egg. So you just there. Add some salt. And you scramble it. Okay, so now I'm going to add the rice. And now you mix the egg with the rice. You can add a bit more salt if you want. And I'm going to add some soy sauce. Don't put too much though. Just put it on the corners. And then you mix it up. The devil chicken, and Shinobi is cutting. To make the devil chicken, we cut up some onions, tomato, and some chili, and there's some cinnamon sticks as well. And I got some garlic paste and ginger paste from Nature's Blends. So now it's time to make the chicken. Okay, so first we deep fry the chicken. Now it's back to us watering our plants, and I got my little helper with me. How are you feeling today?
Good. Very hot.
So today is cleaning day, and I'm getting Shan to do most of the work.
As usual.
No. But I'm gonna help him a little bit. But let's see if I get tired.
You're to do the kitchen, I will do the hall.
Okay, fine.
Let's go. We have to clean this table up. Just dump everything here. I wonder who.
Not me. Oh, have you guys tried these cookies? They're awesome. You can find them on Instagram, Danny's Delights. The best. These are actually Milo cookies.
And Nestamol cookies.
Oh yeah, and Nestamol cookies.
Wow, no more chaos.
Gaming setup here.
Yep, ready for the weekend. So sometimes Ashi's idea of cleaning is taking things from one table and dumping them on another.
Shush.
So I'm gonna make her clean this up as well. Come on, get your handbags out of here.
Because others I'll forget this.
Yeah, but let's keep them neat, no?
Yeah.
Alright, squeaky clean except for Ashi's medicine. So you know what's next?
Now we need to...
No. Why are your pants all over the house?
Oh my god!
Get them out of here. As you can see, she has just moved her bags from one table to another table. But since we're only cleaning the living room, I'll let this one go. Sheesh.
So now I'm going to do the laundry. I separated all of them for each day. So then I don't have to do everything in one day. Yeah. So first are the colors. Which I'm going to have to carry obviously. Yep. Okay. I need to put all our groceries away. Thanks to Keels for bringing our groceries in one day. I needed to get some snacks because of my cravings. So yeah, time to put them away. Oh gosh. Shan loves his bowler packets. These are not for me. Now I'm going to start doing the kitchen because it's a real mess. So first things first, I need to get the garbage out.
Alright, I'm gonna sweep them.
Okay, yeah, Shan's going to be doing the sweeping. And I'm going to do the kitchen.
Teamwork.
Yes. Okay. So as you guys know, I've been craving sweets when you saw my previous vlog. So I ordered high desserts as well. Yeah, I love it. I love the no-bake cheesecake. That is my favorite. I've done one side of the kitchen, which is looking kind of neat. And now this side. Doing the sweeping.
Done with the sweeping.
And the kitchen is clean.
And the final touches. Ashi mopping all her mistakes in the kitchen.
Your mistakes too.
Yeah, like 1 or 2. Another 20 are yours.
As you guys can see, we have two garbage bins. One is for the food waste and one is for the general waste. So we did the food waste separately because I've seen the garbage collectors sit down and actually go through the garbage, taking all the food out, which is really sad to see. So I think you guys should do that at home. You guys should have 2 separate garbage bins, which will be a nice thing for them as well. Now we're gonna play some Monopoly here. The tally is actually I'm 4 and she has 2.
Ready to lose though?
No. Crap!
Yeah, GG's.
Woohoo!
See you on camera.
I won! So, now I'm going to be making the cheesy chicken crepes. So first of all, I'm roasting the chicken. I marinated it with paprika, salt and pepper. So I'm roasting it for about 40 minutes. Until that's been done, now it's time to make the crepes. Okay, so to make the crepes, you need 1 cup of milk, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna blend everything. Normally you can whisk it, but I think it's easier to just blend everything. Now you just blend it till it's super smooth. Okay. It's tight. And okay, and now I let it sit until the glossiness goes away. Then I know it's cooked underneath. Okay, now flip it.
Sure.
Ooh,
Quite the flipper.
thanks. Okay, so now I'm going to be making my cheesy sauce. So first I'll make the sauce and then I will add the shredded chicken into it. So now my help is just doing some cutting, as you guys can see.
How much cheese do you want?
I don't know. How cheesy do you want it?
You know I love my cheese. Let's not put too much. Is this much?
Yeah, that's enough.
Alright, so cheese into the trusty grater.
Yum! So first thing you do to make the sauce is you need cooking cream, or you can use milk. So you need to add 3 cups of cooking cream or milk. Then you need cheese spread. You just put half a bottle of cheese spread. Then a tablespoon of butter. And then you stir it, keep stirring on low heat. And the eggs, 3 eggs, beat it and then add it. And then you keep stirring. You keep stirring till it gets nice and thick. And then you take it off the pan. Mozzarella cheese or Parmesan cheese. Okay, now I'm gonna add the sauce and the chicken, the crepe. Write it down. Then I fold it. Nicely. Flip it. Okay, so I added the mozzarella cheese on top so it would melt. And now I'm going to put it into the oven for 20 minutes. Heat will be at 175 Celsius. Okay. And done. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you guys like this video, please drop a comment below and give me a thumbs up. And hopefully I will see you next week. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.